Hello, everyone. In the quiz, What is this? You listen to questions about popular dishes in Japan and guess the names of the dishes. Today I will be asking two questions. What is this? Question 1. What is a traditional Japanese food made by shaping rice into triangular or cylindrical forms, often wrapped in seaweed and can be filled with various ingredients such as salmon, tuna, or pickled plum? Please tell me your answer. Thank you. The answer to this quiz is here. Did you get it right? Okay. Here's the next quiz. Question 2. What is a popular Japanese dish consisting of breaded and deep-fried shrimp, often served with tartar sauce or a side of shredded cabbage? Please tell me your answer. Thank you. The answer to this quiz is fried shrimp. Did you get it right? That's all for today. See you next time.